Righto, so
Have a look in.
the dead cam, righto, here we go.
Alright guys, what we have here is a nice little diamond python that we just came across. We're just walking back from a little ridge area that we came across. We have a couple of gentlemen here who were just fishing. As I walked past, apparently a snake struck at me. And these two gentlemen behind me don't even know the snake was behind them. All they were doing is mind their own business. This little guy was just cruising around looking for something to eat. So this is only a young diamond. These guys are about 2 meters long. These guys like to be a bit more arboreal, so they'll be spending more time out in the trees. These guys will consist of eat mammals such as possums when they're bigger, smaller snakes, if they get hold of them, lizards, maybe the odd rodent or two. Now these guys, of course being a python, they will lay eggs, between 5 to 35 eggs at a time. Right now it's breeding season, so he could be just out maybe looking for a mate, but he's probably too young for that stage. Pretty cool find. So yeah, let's move on and see what else we can find for tonight. Right, for those times guys, we've got to let him back in the bush. Off you go buddy. Beautiful gem of the bush. Like I said before guys, diamond python. Now these guys will live between 20 to 30 years in the captivity. In the wild, it's a bit of a hit and miss. Roughly 20 years or so. So, nice little find. Let's keep chugging along and hopefully we'll find something else.